Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadia. Today's video is a little different. Pretty much almost like a get ready with me with a little twist. I recreated Lalisa Manobal. I think that's how you pronounce her name. I'm sorry if I butchered it. She's a South Korean rapper from the band Blackpink. Absolutely love them. I did my makeup like her. She has bangs. I was trying to look for clip-on bangs. I could not find them anywhere, so let's just pretend like I got bangs. This could be like a Halloween costume, but I don't think anyone would know who I am. I'm also going to be reviewing a flat iron. This is the Deval Professional Iron. Got it right here in my hand. It's actually on. I just straightened my hair. It's got like little red dots in there. That means that it's on. I love this straightener, you guys. It's so amazing. It makes my hair super silky, smooth, and straight. Heats up so fast. It literally gets hot in like less than 2 minutes. And great for traveling. The cord is so long. Like, it's so long, which is great. I love me a good long cord. It's got a good grip. It goes from 270 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 450. I keep it at 410, which is the second highest it gets, just because I don't want to completely burn my hair. But love the straightener. You guys should definitely check it out. I will leave it in the description for you guys. Let me know if you get it, and I know you will love it just as much as I do. So let's begin. Okay, so here I am. I look different. We all know why. So I'm actually kind of breaking out. I don't ever really break out, and I have this pimple on my forehead right here. Don't know why she's wanting to. Of course, when I decide to do a makeup tutorial, she decides to come out. First thing everyone should do if you're gonna be going outside, and later today I will be going outside, sunscreen. Please put on your sunscreen. It's face sunscreen. Obviously you don't want to be putting like this one on your face, but it's a body one. This is 50 SPF 50. I heard the SPF 30 has more I think it has more zinc oxide, which is what pretty much all sunscreens have. I should probably put my hair up, but we're not doing that. Now we're going to do foundation. On a day-to-day basis, I never wear foundation, but we're doing a tutorial. I feel like I have to. Another reason why I don't wear foundation is because it's very thick and heavy. I use Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. It's a little dirty, but I really don't. Ew, this looks nasty. Ew. I don't want to wear foundation, but I feel like we kind of have to. So 1 pump, 2. I'm actually running out of this too, so 2 pumps-ish and a clump of, this is probably not my shade. Not probably, I just can tell right off the bat, this is not going to be my color. Because this is when I was a lot tanner. And, okay, also I'm wearing sunscreen, so that's another reason why it looks really like dark. But, oh my god, no way. This is not my shade right now. This is the shade 6.5 Luminous Silk. Yikes. Yeah, no. Okay, anyway, the reason why I wanted to do this tutorial, you're probably wondering. Probably not, but I just really like how she did her makeup in this. Like, it just looked so simple. Like, there was no like blush really and heavy contour. Concealer, NARS Radiant Creamy and Custard. I've been using this for literally forever, and probably the best one I've ever tried. I kind of gotta be gentle with them under eyes. Hello. This is the best concealer I've ever tried. Okay, we really gotta do something about the zit, but I feel like if I put concealer on it, I'm gonna like bring it. It's gonna be more noticeable. For sure it is, but it's okay. Yeah, I kind of get it everywhere. All right, I go in with the Beauty Blender again just because I love this tool. It's like the best. I'm like not good at doing other people's makeup, I don't think. Maybe I am. I haven't really done it often. I remember doing someone's makeup for homecoming. They told me they liked it, and then they literally went home and took it off and like redid it. And I'm like, if you don't like it, please tell me. We can like, I can either fix it, take it off for you, and like let you do it. Like, you don't have to tell me you like it and lie. You know what I mean? That person is probably watching this video. For powder, I do Laura Mercier just translucent setting powder. Just a good amount. Like, this is the best translucent powder I've ever tried. Oh, my shirt is gonna get messy with this. It's okay. I've tried Kat Von D. I look like a ghost, especially in pictures like this one. You will not look like a ghost in pictures or without pictures. It just makes you look super matte, and it doesn't look cakey. That's the one thing about powders that I absolutely hate, that cakey, really heavy look. This doesn't do that, and I love it. I should have done more research about this girl and how she does her makeup. I'm just like looking at the picture and trying to copy it. So for brows, I would usually use the Dip Brow Pomade. We're not gonna be doing that. We're just gonna be doing the GimMe Brow. I got this like little GimMe Brow from Sephora, a little mini size of it. I just discovered this product. It's not that great at keeping my brows in place, but it does do a good job at just tinting them very lightly. I don't like going overboard sometimes with the brow pomade that I just showed you. I can accidentally go a little overboard and make them too dark, and I don't want that. I'm definitely gonna buy a full size of this product. I just hope it doesn't finish too quick. Like, I don't know, my friend told me she uses something from Benefit and she goes through it really quick, so I don't know if it's this product. I gotta ask her again. I think it was a different brow gel, I could be wrong, but also I haven't gotten my brows done like over a month, or my upper lip, so if you see my mustache and my unibrow, please don't come at me. I'm sorry, I'm so lazy. Brows are done, almost, kind of. I'm gonna set my brows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Best thing ever. Just very, very lightly going in with this, because I don't want to take out too much of the product I already have on. Super, like, barely touching it. There we go. This next part I'm really nervous about. We're gonna be doing a winged eyeliner. I'm like pretty good at my right eye. Left eye, I'll probably stay here for a decade. So I'm gonna get this close up. And then I will be putting eyeliner in my waterline as well. But she only did it halfway. So like she did it like just like that much of it. So I'm gonna be putting on mascara. This is the Great Lash Maybelline Very Black Mascara. I love this. It's like a few dollars at the drugstore. I prefer this over like high-end mascaras. So I'm gonna be wearing this eyeliner. It's from MAC, which I hate MAC. They test on animals, but this product is like, I can never find anything as good as it. And it's the most opaque black eyeliner I've ever tried. I'm on the hunt for one that's just as good. I've tried gel eyeliners. I can't put it in my waterline just because it will get into my contact and mess it up. But yeah, so I don't support MAC, but this product I love. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Carly Bible Anastasia palette. I'm just going to use the color Bible, and we're going to use it as a transition color. right above everything. That. She did use some, like a shade very similar to this, so that's what we're going for. I would usually use like a paper to like make the edges really sharp, but I'm wearing eyeliner and I don't really want to mess that up. Okay. God, I love this palette. I use this one right here, which is Bare. And highlight that brow bone, sis. I totally forgot to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I will leave this straightener in the description. Let me know if you guys try it out and what you think. You will love it just as much as I love it. That was pretty much it.